Artificial intelligence, or AI, is making our lives easier and more efficient. In the realm of marketing, AI is revolutionizing how businesses operate and connect with their audiences. Imagine having a tool that not only automates repetitive tasks, but also provides deep insights into customer behavior and preferences. AI is like having a smart assistant for marketing. It can handle tasks such as email marketing, social media management, and even content creation. This frees up valuable time for marketers to focus on strategy and creativity. It can process huge amounts of data and learn from it. This means AI can identify patterns and trends that would be impossible for humans to detect on their own. By analyzing this data, AI can provide actionable insights that help businesses make informed decisions. This helps marketers understand their customers better than ever before. With AI, businesses can segment their audience more effectively, ensuring that marketing messages are tailored to the right people at the right time. AI is changing the way businesses reach their target audience. Traditional marketing methods are being enhanced with AI-driven strategies that are more precise and efficient. This leads to higher engagement rates and better return on investment. By analyzing data, AI can predict what customers want and need. This predictive capability allows businesses to stay ahead of trends and anticipate customer demands, giving them a competitive edge in the market. This allows marketers to create highly targeted campaigns that resonate with potential customers. Personalized marketing is more effective because it speaks directly to the individual, making them feel valued and understood. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on marketing will only grow, opening up new possibilities for innovation and success. Imagine showing your ads only to people who are actually interested in your product. This is not just a dream, but a reality with the power of artificial intelligence. AI can revolutionize your marketing strategy by ensuring that your advertisements reach the right audience at the right time. No more wasted ad spend on uninterested viewers. Instead, you can focus your resources on those who are most likely to convert into customers. That's what AI can do for your marketing. It uses advanced algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data, providing insights that were previously unimaginable. By understanding user behavior, preferences, and trends, AI can predict which products or services will appeal to specific individuals. This means your marketing efforts become more efficient and effective. AI analyzes data from various sources like social media and browsing history. It collects and processes information from multiple touchpoints, creating a comprehensive profile of potential customers. This data-driven approach allows marketers to make informed decisions and craft strategies that resonate with their target audience. This helps identify patterns and preferences among potential customers. By recognizing these patterns, AI can segment audiences based on their interests, behaviors, and demographics. This segmentation is crucial for delivering personalized experiences that engage and convert. With AI, you can segment your audience into specific groups. These groups can be as broad or as narrow as needed, allowing for highly targeted marketing campaigns. Whether you're targeting a niche market or a broader audience, AI ensures that your message reaches the right people. This allows you to tailor your message to each group's interests. Personalized marketing is more than just using someone's name in an email. It's about understanding their needs and preferences and delivering content that speaks directly to them. AI makes this level of personalization possible, enhancing customer engagement and loyalty. For example, if you're selling shoes, AI can help you target people who are interested in running or fashion. It can analyze their past purchases, online behavior, and even social media activity to determine their interests. This means your ads will be seen by those who are most likely to be interested in your products, increasing the chances of conversion. The benefits of using AI in marketing are clear. It not only improves the efficiency of your campaigns, but also enhances the customer experience. By delivering relevant and timely content, you build stronger relationships with your audience. This leads to higher customer satisfaction and ultimately, better business results. Embracing AI technology in your marketing strategy is no longer optional, it's essential. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, staying ahead of the competition requires leveraging the latest tools and technologies. AI offers a powerful way to connect with your audience, drive engagement, and achieve your marketing goals. So, if you haven't already, it's time to explore how AI can transform your marketing efforts. From data analysis to audience segmentation and personalized campaigns, AI provides the tools you need to succeed in today's competitive market. Start harnessing the power of AI and watch your marketing reach new heights. Marketing budgets are precious, and AI ensures you get the most out of every dollar. AI algorithms can optimize your ad spending in real time. They do this by identifying the best platforms and times to reach your target audience. Instead of wasting money on ineffective campaigns, AI helps you invest in what works best. This leads to higher conversion rates, lower customer acquisition costs, and ultimately, increased sales. One of the most significant advantages of AI is its ability to learn and adapt. As your AI-powered marketing tools gather more data, they become smarter. They continuously analyze campaign performance, identify areas for improvement, and make necessary adjustments. This means your marketing campaigns will become more effective over time. AI can identify which messages resonate with your audience and which ones fall flat. This allows you to refine your approach and achieve better results. Many businesses have already witnessed the transformative power of AI marketing. From small startups to large enterprises, AI is revolutionizing the way companies approach their marketing strategies. By leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning, businesses can now gain deeper insights into customer behavior, predict future trends, and create highly personalized marketing campaigns that resonate with their target audience. For example, a clothing retailer used AI to personalize its email marketing campaigns. This retailer, which had been struggling to engage its customer base, turned to AI to analyze vast amounts of customer data. By understanding individual preferences and shopping habits, the AI system was able to craft tailored email content for each customer. By analyzing customer data, AI recommended products that each customer was most likely to purchase. This level of personalization made the customers feel valued and understood, which in turn increased their loyalty to the brand. The AI system continuously learned from customer interactions, refining its recommendations over time to become even more accurate. This resulted in a significant increase in email open rates and sales conversions. The retailer saw a 30% increase in email open rates and a 20% boost in sales within just a few months. Customers were not only opening the emails more frequently, but also making more purchases, thanks to the highly relevant product recommendations. In another case, a food delivery company used AI to optimize its ad delivery. The company faced the challenge of reaching the right customers at the right time, especially in a highly competitive market. By integrating AI into their marketing strategy, they were able to analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and trends. By analyzing customer location data and order history, AI targeted customers with personalized ads for nearby restaurants. This hyper-local targeting ensured that customers received ads that were relevant to their immediate needs and preferences. The AI system also adjusted the ad content based on the time of day and customer behavior, making the ads even more effective. This led to higher click-through rates and a boost in orders. The food delivery company reported a 25% increase in click-through rates and a 15% rise in orders. Customers appreciated the timely and relevant ads, which made it easier for them to discover new restaurants and place orders quickly. These success stories highlight the immense potential of AI in transforming marketing strategies and driving business growth. AI is not just a trend, it's the future of marketing. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications in the marketing landscape. From chatbots that provide instant customer support to AI-powered content creation tools, the possibilities are endless. AI is transforming the way businesses connect with their customers, and those who embrace this technology will have a significant competitive advantage. The message is clear. AI is no longer optional for businesses that want to stay ahead of the curve. By embracing AI-powered marketing tools, you can unlock new levels of efficiency, personalization, and ultimately, success. Don't let your competitors outsmart you. Start exploring the world of AI marketing today and discover how it can transform your business. There are many AI-powered marketing tools available to businesses of all sizes. Some popular options include tools for social media marketing, email marketing, content creation, and data analytics. These tools offer a user-friendly interface and require no technical expertise to use. Start by identifying your specific marketing needs and research tools that can help you achieve your goals. In conclusion, AI is revolutionizing the marketing landscape by enabling businesses to reach the right audience, optimize ad spending, and gain valuable insights from data. By embracing AI-powered tools and strategies, businesses can enhance their marketing efforts, drive sales growth, and stay ahead in today's competitive market. The future of marketing is here, and it's powered by AI. Are you ready to join the revolution?